In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity Labs to create anything, including an app tracker. Whether you're a developer with a new project or just someone curious about the process, this guide will take you through each stage step by step. First, we're going to start by opening your web browser and heading over to Google. If you're unfamiliar with a search engine, it simply acts as a tool to help you find websites and information online. Once Google is up and running, ready your fingers to type the word Perplexity into the search bar. This action will direct us to the resources we need to proceed. You'll see a list of results appearing almost instantly, and in these results, look for the official Perplexity website. Click on that link to be taken directly to their homepage. Now that you've made it to Perplexity's site, it's time to delve into the field of app tracking systems by crafting a compelling prompt. Think of the prompt as your digital request. It tells Perplexity what you're interested in generating. Type in something relevant like app tracking system, which specifies exactly what you're aiming to create. Once your prompt is ready, direct your eyes to the interface's layout and seek out the Labs button. Click it and prepare to witness the magic unfold. Labs is where much of the creativity happens, as it helps take your initial ideas and refine them into something more concrete. Following this, you'll need to hit the Submit button. This simple action is crucial as it officially sends off your prompt for processing. It might take a moment, but patience is key here. As the system processes your submission, you may need to wait a little while, but it's all part of the process. This brief pause is where the technology gets to work, combining artificial intelligence, data analysis to bring your concept to life. The result of your submission will appear shortly thereafter on your screen. By following these easy steps, you've now successfully navigated through the process of using Perplexity Labs to create an app tracker, or indeed, almost anything else you can think of. With some practice, you'll become even more proficient at using Perplexity Labs, opening up new possibilities for innovation and invention in the digital realm. Make sure to explore different features and tools available on Perplexity Labs, as they can offer a range of possibilities beyond what's covered in this guide. I hope this tutorial was clear and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further clarification about any step, feel free to reach out or consult additional resources for more in-depth guidance. Thank you for joining me today, and happy creating with Perplexity Labs.